Yeah, you steady losing cause you steady snoozing. Man, my grind exclusive, screaming hallelujah. A thin line between a lie and the truth. You rather sleep in the cooch, I'd rather sleep in the booth.
What's poppin' YouTube? It's your girl Tatiana Raylan back with another video, and today we are doing it yourself lip gloss at home. I'm going to show you guys everything that I use and how I make my lip gloss at home. I'm only filling 2 tubes and they are for my personal use. So after you sanitize the table, you want to wash your hands, you want to sanitize your hands and put on some gloves before you start any mixing. So now I'm taking the lip gloss base, which is from TKB Trading. You can also get it on Amazon, and for this little size is $5.95. So, and I believe it's 5 ounces as well, if I'm not mistaken. I can't remember off the top of my head, but yeah, it's $5.95. And I had used this one a few weeks ago, so I'm just kind of using the rest of it, and then I bought the 3-pound one a few weeks later to fill the lip gloss tubes for my website. So I am, like I said, filling 2, and I'm just doing clear, putting my oil in there and using the base. I cut off the side of it because I wanted to get all my product out. Sometimes it's hard to get all of it out, so you can just like cut out the side. If you know it's at the end, I wouldn't cut it off at the beginning unless you know that you're doing a big order. So yeah, I just did that. I am putting in my oils. Castor oil is one of the oils I use. Avocado oil and shea butter. Unfortunately, I do not use the coconut oil like everyone else. My sister does have a nut allergy, and I feel like a lot of people do. So if you are selling your stuff to multiple people and you don't have your ingredients on there, like, you would want to think about that, because a lot of people have a nut allergy. So yeah, I just googled and what things are moisturizing for the lips, and these are the oils that I came up with. You can do your own research, because at the end of the day, it's your own product. You don't want to copy or mimic what somebody's doing every step. You can, but you might not want to. So that is completely up to you. And I am doing clear, but you can also get the makeup powder from TKB Trading as well. They have a lot of different options. I have 11 different colors that I'm selling on my website. So yeah, they have plenty of options, so you can look through that to see what works best for you and what you want to sell. Some people add glitter, and some people do a whole bunch of stuff. I just have 11 solid colors, and that's it. Now it is time to start filling our tubes. I am getting a disposable eye tube. I think that's what it's called. But yeah, I am cutting off the head, which is the top part, and then I'm cutting off the tail, which is the bottom part, and I'm making sure it's long enough to fit in the tube. I have longer tubes. I don't know if you can see them behind me, but you want to make sure that is long enough for you to fill your tubes, because when you're filling them, you want to move it side to side to make sure you're filling your whole tube. So that is one thing to make sure of, because you don't want to have like holes in your lip gloss. Trust me, I learned the hard way. So yeah, that's one problem that you should look out for. So now that I am done filling that, it's not that much. Like I said, I'm only making 2. You are going to start filling your tube, and you guys can just finish watching me do that, and I'll be right back. For some odd reason, it's always at the top of the syringe where it's like filled with air, so it's hard to like push it down. But once you get it down, you're fine, which is what happened now. Like, all the air like kind of sucked it in, but that's fine. You can still fill your tube. Just make sure your tip is all the way in there so you can fill the tube all the way up. But usually after your first tube, you should be fine. But for some reason, it's always like that at the beginning. So that is a problem to look out for as well. As you can see, I am moving it side to side. You want to move it side to side so you can fill your whole tube and not have any like gaps or spaces in there. So yeah, just look out for that too. I'm just trying to tell you guys everything that I ran into when I first started making it. And these are some things to just keep in mind. I know I watched a lot of videos and nobody really kind of explained like the things to watch out for. So yeah, just watch out for those things and you should be fine. I filled my 2 tubes. Actually, I did 3, but here's 2 right here. This is how they look. They do have like a yellow tint, but after like a few days it goes away. I have no clue why. It's just one of the oils have a little bit more of a yellow tint to it. So I'm just putting the lid on and I am going to start rocking it. Like I said, I'm not selling these. The ones that I sell on my website come in the wand form. If you guys want to check that out, I will link my website in the description box below. It's beautytalkcosmetics.com. So yeah, go check that out. Support a black business. Thank you guys so much for thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you can know when I post a video. And subscribe, sis, is free.